Hi jewellers, I'm Hannah from Kernowcraft. Earlier this year, Hayley, our buyer, and I went on a buying trip to source some incredible new stones, and we found a really special supplier of Ammolite cabochons in Alberta, Canada. Ammolite fossils have been in the ground for about 75 million years. Originally sea creatures, the Ammolites have been mineralised and fossilised into these vibrant gemstones with time and the pressure of the earth. And it is only in Alberta, Canada, where Ammolites are found in this brilliant array of rainbow colours. We spent some time chatting about these amazing stones, hand-selecting our favourites to bring home, and learning about how our supplier in Canada mines and cuts the stones themselves. We are really excited to bring you this fabulous new selection of stones. To find out more or to shop for gemstones, head over to kernowcraft.com.
About the Ammolite? Sure. These are the Ammolite fossils. They have been in the ground about 75 million years. They're only found in these brilliant colors in western Alberta, Canada. We mine them out of the ground and then we polish them.
And how old are they?
75 million years.
Wow.
And the thinner they are, the further they are buried into the ground. Like the very thin ones have had a lot of pressure on them. They're mineralized. The pressure, they're about 250 feet under the ground.
Wow. And you mine it all in Alberta?
It's all in Alberta.
Yeah. And you cut the stones yourself in the factory?
Yes, we have our own factory and our own design shop where we do all the faceted jewelry and
cabochons.
Yeah.
They're absolutely beautiful. Hayley, come and get a close-up picture of them. You zoom in. See these amazing colours. So we've got green running through to red and orange and purple and blue.